Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you something totally different from my normal videos that I do tool unboxing. Now this specific one is a mini TV, so if you weren't born in the 80s and the 90s probably you would know what this is and recognize it, but if you weren't born later than that, most likely you wouldn't know, and you would find this as a very odd product. So back then we used to have mobile phones that looked like this. So this is a Nokia 3310, and their only purpose was to make calls, send texts, and some very basic games like Snake. For those out there that had one of them, probably they know exactly what I'm talking about. For you that are looking at this for the first time, probably you're looking at this and you're like, oh wow, what's that? So let me just leave this on the side. So what I'm going to do is show you the normal information on the box itself, and of course then show you the product itself, and hopefully this one I believe is still working. Now it's very rare to find one of these in such a condition, so this is like an old new stock. So I got it from someone that had it in their loft. They bought it, they never used it, but I thought it would be interesting for people to see what a mini TV back in that time looked like, whereas you wouldn't be buying something like such as this nowadays. So let's get to the information itself that is here on the front. So this is an LCD color TV, and this specific one is made from CASIO. Hopefully I prefer that correctly. And this specific one was made for the UK market. Again, there might be people out there that they would like to know the information on the box, so I'm going to show you that. And that's pretty much the information here. So let me just open the box. You can open the box from the left side or the right side, but there is a sticker here indicating it says open. Very rarely you'll see a box actually having text saying which side to open it, but this is the first time I've seen it in a while. And as I said, this is like a new old stock, so somebody bought it, left it in their loft, or forgot about it, and what, 20 years later or what, 30 years later, they found it's there. There's nothing else in the box, so this is the information that comes with it. So let's see here. Complete your and return this card below for your chance to win a full refund on your CASIO purchase. So this is what what an offer would have looked like back then. Let's see, CASIO guarantee certificate, the actual guide itself, and then this should be the product. There we are, literally in a mint condition. So this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of a Game Boy, to be honest, but in a thicker version. So this is the information on the front. So it has a 2.3 inch screen. This is the antenna, so you would open this one so you could get signal, and actually that will reflect to the screen. And this is analog, if I'm not wrong. So I'm not entirely sure if there are any analog channels out there, but we should be able to find that out in a second. So let's see what other buttons are here. What does it say here? So there's a volume and there is a bright. So there's the brightness level and the volume level. On that side it says on and off. That's it pretty much. So let's see if it's working. So the way to open this one is you just pull that off. There we are. And this specific one takes 4 batteries. So now we will find out what having a mini TV back in that time was like. So let's see. There we are. Hopefully it works. There we are. So you put the batteries in, and let's pray it works. So there we are. So what you can see here probably is a line going left and right from the looks of it, or right. And what is the sound volume? There we are. Now the tuning, which means changing channels pretty much, or trying to find the signal. So you have a left and a right button, so let's just do that. So I think what this is doing at the moment is auto searching for an analog signal. I don't believe we will find one, but let's see. So that's the volume. It's on top. Oh, there we are. So you get the brightness level up and down. So this one should be the perfect. Let's see. So we have it on, and so let's just press the button and see if anything will happen, or if we're going to find a TV channel that actually this is able to receive. So I guess we have to wait now. But that's pretty much. So back in that time, if you were in sitting in a park and you were old enough, you wanted to watch TV or the news, you would have one of them with you. You would open it, and this would receive the signal and actually watch that specific channel. But again, I'm not entirely sure if there is any analog signals out there for this to receive, as most of the channels would be digital. No, I don't believe he's gonna find a channel, especially me being inside the house. But yeah, this is pretty much what it would have looked like back in that time. But again, sadly, we can't find the channel. It would be nice for me to show you what that would look like. But what this is doing at the moment is it's going around to a specific frequency and trying to get to take some signal and transfer that to the screen itself. But from the looks of it, it's not getting any signal. But this is what the vintage mini TV from back of that era would have looked like, or looks like at this point in time. And that's it pretty much, guys. Hopefully you like this video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.